Hi everybody, welcome back to On to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can delete all chats in Instagram. So to get started, go ahead and open up Instagram application and the user face will appear somewhat like this. Now go to your chat section. Now you can just select any person that you want to delete all the chats. So as you can see here, I have selected this particular person to delete my message, but as you can see, there is no option available to delete my message or the chat. So what I can do is go back and swipe to the left by clicking on that individual chat. Now tap on more and here you get the option delete, edit level or mute. So you can just select or tap on delete in order to delete chats and you are good to go. So this is how easily you can delete all chats in Instagram. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.